My dear students, good morning. Today I will do some question from class 10, Sangam Mathematics. The topic is set unit 1, exercise 1.1, page 10. Question number 6a. Let's continue from 6a. The question is, in the survey on an entertainment, 45% people enjoyed video, 40% enjoyed audio, and 25% enjoyed none. If 20 people enjoyed both media, then 1. Represent the result in Venn diagram. 2. Find the total number of people. 3. The number of people who entertained at least one media. Let's do this solution. That B and A denote the set of people that B and A denote the sets of people who entertained and video and audio, who entertain on video and audio respectively. Here number of U equal to 100%, number of B equal to 45%, number of A equal to 40%, number of B union A whole complement equal to 25%, number of B intersection A equal to 20 equal to X percent. Suppose now number of U equal to number of B plus number of A minus number of B intersection A plus number of B union A whole complement, or 100 equal to number of B in percentage, that is 45, number of A, that is 40, number of B intersection A, we suppose X, so X plus complement 25 is all in percentage. Therefore, X equal to 45 plus 25, 70 plus 40, 110 minus 100, 10. So X equal to 10%. Now, find the total number of people, that means 100%. Then, for I, by equation, this X% equal to 20. So, X% equal to 20 or 10% equal to 20. Therefore, 100% equal to 200. So, the total number of people take the number of people who entered at least one media. Where to number of B union A. Who entered at least one media, that is B union A. Number of B union A equals to number of U minus number of B union A will complement equal to 100 minus complement part is 25% equal to 25%. Therefore, 25% of 200 equal to 25 by 100 into 200 equal to 150. So 150 people entertain at least one media. People entertain at least one media. Now for one we have to represent the result in Venn diagram. And that B equals to number of B. Number of B 45 and intersection part is X percent 10%. 45 minus 10. 45 minus 10% of 200 equal to 35% of 200. 35 by 100 into 200. This equals to 70. And that A equal to number of A, 40%, intersection is 10%. So 40 minus 10% of 200 equal to 30% of 200, that is 60. And complement part is 25%. Number of B union A whole complement equal to 25% of 200 equal to 50. In Venn diagram, this is U and this is B video and A audio. Complement data is 50 over here. Intersection data is 20 here. Under B is 70 and under A is 50. Now total is 200. And under A is 60. Here is 60. So this is the required Venn diagram. Now students, question number 6b. In a survey on an entertainment, it was found that 45% like in the sum, 60% like in the sum, and 15% like both. If 50 people did not like the both songs, find 1. Total number of people, 2. The number of people who like exactly one song, and 3. So the result obtained in a Venn diagram. Let's do its solution. Let E N as hundreds of people who liked English song and Hindi song respectively. Here number of U equal to 100%, number of E is 45%, number of S is 60%, number of E intersection S is 15%, number of union S whole complement that equal to 50 equal to X percent. Suppose now number of U equal to number of E plus number of S minus number of E intersection S plus number of union S whole complement, or 100 equal to 45 plus 60 minus 15 plus X. This is in percentage. Therefore, X equal to 60 minus 15, then 45, then 90. 100 minus 90, 10. So X equal to 10% by equation. X percentage is 50. So 10% equal to 50. Therefore, 100% equal to 500. Now for the first question, total number of people. Right? Then right, number of equal to 100%, that is 500. So the total number of people is 500. Number 2, and to have the number of people who like exactly one song. N naught E plus N naught yes equal to 45% minus 15% plus this N naught S, that is 60 minus 15. 60 minus 15% of total people, 500. So this equal to 45 minus 15, 30. 60 minus 15, 45. 30 plus 45% of 500. That is 45 plus 30, 75 upon 100 into 500. 75 into 5. 5 5 is 25, that is 5. 75 25 plus 2. 25 carry over 2. 75 is 25 plus 2 27. Then is 75. So 375 people like exactly one song. Again for 3, the result obtained in the Venn diagram. And not A equal to 30% of 500 equal to 150, and that is equal to 45% of 500 is equal to 225. Number of C intersection is equal to 15% of 500 is equal to 75. Complete data is 50. Now in Venn diagram, this is U and two subset E and X in this and in this. Intersection part is 75. Complement data is 50. Here 50 and the day 150 and the dash 225. This is the required Venn diagram. Now students, we go to next question 7a. The question is, in a group of 95 people, the ratio of people who read Kantipur to those who read Gorhabata is 4:5. If 10 people read both and 15 people read none, then 1. How many read the Kantipur only? Number 2. How many read the Gorhabata only? Number 3. Find the number of people who read the Kantipur and those who read the Gorhabata. Also show the information in a Venn diagram. Let's do its solution. That K and G denote the sets of people who read Kantipur and Gorkhapatra respectively. Here, number of U equal to 95, number of K is to number of G equal to 4:5, number of K intersection G equal to 10, number of K union G whole complement equal to 15. Net number of K equal to 4x and number of G equal to 5x. Suppose now I'm going to take the Kantipur only. Now you know that number of U equal to number of K plus number of G minus number of K intersection G plus number of K union G whole complement, or 95 equal to x plus 5x minus 10 plus 15, or it becomes 9x equal to 15 minus 10, 5, 95 minus 5, 90. Therefore, x equal to 10. Then for 1. Now to find read Kantipur only. N naught k equals to x and k equal to number of k minus number of k intersection g, and k equal to 4x minus intersection is 10. So put the value of x, 4 into 10 minus 10, 40 minus 10, 30. So 30 people read Kantipur only. Then for 2, how many did Gorhabata only? That is n naught k equal to number of k minus number of k intersection g. Number of k is 5x, so 5x minus intersection part is 10, so 5 into 10, putting value of x, then minus 10, 50 minus 10, 40, so 40 people read Gorkhapatra only. Now for 3, find the number of people who read the Kantipur and those who read the Gorkhapatra. Number of Kantipur equal to x equal to 4 into 10, 40. Number of Gorkhapatra equal to 5x equal to 5 into 10 equal to 50. So 40 people read Kantipur and 50 people read Gorkhapatra. Again, last part. So the information in the Venn diagram. So again in Venn diagram, this is U, Kantipur K, Gorkhapatra is G. Intersection data is 10, complement 15, so here is 10, there is 15, and not G, that is n naught k is 30, n naught g is 40. N naught k, this is n naught g, second Gorkhapatra only, n naught g, n naught g equal to n g minus number of k intersection g. So n naught k is 30, n naught g is 40. This is the required Venn diagram. Now we go to next question, 7b. The question is, in a survey of 100 people, the ratio of people who like to play football only to those who like to play cricket only is 1:3. If 10 people like both the games and 30 people like none, find number of people who like 1 to play football, 2 to play cricket also. So the information obtained in a Venn diagram. Let's do its solution. Solution: let F and C represent the sets of people who like to play football and cricket respectively. Here number of U equal to 100. Number of only football is 2. Number of only cricket, n naught F is to n naught C equal to 1:3. number of F intersection C equal to 10. Number of F union C whole complement equal to 30. Let N not F equal to X in the ratio minus so X and N not C equal to 3X. Means ratio is 1 to 3, so X and 3X. That is, suppose. Now we know the formula. Number of U equal to N naught F plus N naught C plus number of F intersection C plus number of F union C whole complement, or N U is 100 equal to N naught F X plus N naught C 3X plus intersection data 10 plus complement 30, or 4X equal to 100 minus 40, that is 60. Therefore, X equal to 15. Then, for 1 we have to find that number of people who like to play football. Number of F equal to N naught F plus number of F intersection C. N naught F is X plus intersection part is 10. X plus 10, value of X is 15 plus 10, that is 25. So 25 people like to play football. Then for 2 you have to find who like to play cricket. Number of C equal to N naught C plus number of F intersection C. N naught C is 3X, so 3X plus intersection part is 10. So value of X is 15, so 3 into 15 plus 10. 45 plus 10, 55. So 55 people like to play cricket. 55 people like to play cricket. Then also show the information obtained in the Venn diagram. Again, representing in Venn diagram. We need inverse set U, inside U, football F and cricket C. Intersection data is 10, here is 10. Complement data is 30, so here is 30. And that F is X, that is 15. And let's see, that is 3X. 15 3 is 45. This is the required Venn diagram. Now we go to next question. Question number 18. The question is, in a survey conducted among 100 people, it is found that 40 read the Naya Patrika only, 30 read the Dorapatra only, and 20 did not read any. Then 1, show the information in the Venn diagram. 2, find the ratio of people who read the Naya Patrika to the people who read the Dorapatra. Let's do a solution. Let N in G denote the sets of people who read Naya Patrika and Gorkhapatra respectively. number of n union g whole complement, that is 20. Now using formula, number of u equal to 100. Here number of u equal to 100. So using formula, nu equal to n naught n plus energy plus number of n intersection g plus number of n in g whole complement, or n is 100 equal to n naught n 40 plus energy 30 plus number of n intersection g plus complement part is 20. Therefore, number of n intersection g equal to 100 minus 90, that is 10. Then for 2, find the ratio of people who read Naya Patrika 2. The people who read Godhavata, that is number of n is to number of g equal to number of n, that is n naught n plus number of n intersection g is to n naught g is, that is n naught number of g is n naught g plus number of n intersection g. Now this is equal to n naught n is 40 plus intersection part is 10. 40 plus 10 is to n naught g is 30 plus number of n intersection g is 10. 30 plus 10 equal to 50 is to 40 equal to 5 is to 4. So the ratio of number of people who read Naya Patrika and the number of people who read Godhavata is 5 is to 4. For 1. Now for 1, so the information in a Venn diagram representing in a Venn diagram. Universal schedule and two subsets are Naya Patrika n and Godhavatra is g. Intersection data is 10. So in here, when complement data is 20 and Holai boundary Naya Patrika, that is 40. Holai boundary Godhavatra is 30. This is the required Venn diagram. Now, students, let's go to next question. 8b. The question is, out of 300 students in a class, we are asked whether they like coffee or tea. 90 students like coffee but not tea, and 70 students like tea but not coffee. If 40 students like both the drinks, then 1. Represent the above information in a Venn diagram. 2. Find the ratio of students who like coffee to the students who like tea. Let's do use solution. Solution here. Solution. Let C and T denote the sets of students like coffee and tea respectively. Here number of U equal to 300. 90 students like coffee but not tea. 90 like coffee but not tea. It means not C equal to 90. Similarly, 70 students like tea but not coffee. It means N not T. N not T equal to 70. 40 students like both. Both means intersection. So number of C intersection T equal to 40. Now we know the formula. Number of U equal to N not C plus N not T plus number of C intersection T plus number of C union T whole complement. Or NU is 300 equal to N not C 90, N not T 70, intersection is 40 plus complement is not given. Therefore, number of C union T whole complement equal to 90 plus 70, 160 plus 40, 200. 300 minus 200, that is 100. Then, part 1, representing in Venn diagram. Representing in Venn diagram. Universal set U and two subset arcs C and T. Intersection data is 40. 40 is over here. Complement data is 100 over here. N not C is 90. N not T is 70. After this, part 2. Either ratio of student would like coffee to the student would like tea. And C is to number of C is to number of T equal to number of C, that is 90 plus 40 from the Venn diagram. 90 plus 40 is to number of T 70 plus 40 from the Venn diagram. 70 plus 40 equal to 130 is to 110 equal to 13 is to 11. So the ratio of number of people who like to eat coffee, who like to coffee and tea is 13 is to 11. Okay, students, this much for today. Have a nice time. Have a nice study. See you soon.